The benefits of becoming a freelance writer for top fashion brands. Freelancing has become a popular way to make money in recent years, and for a good reason. Many people have turned to freelance writing during the pandemic to earn a lucrative career. The results of freelance writing have been quite enticing for many individuals. As a result, the freelance economy has grown by leaps and bounds. If you're a fashion lover, you may wonder if there are any opportunities to freelance within the fashion industry. The good news is that there are. The fashion industry always needs good writers, and there are many benefits to becoming a freelance writer for top fashion brands. Content is key in the fashion industry, and freelance writers can help brands create the content they need to stay relevant and successful. So if you're looking for a spot as a freelancer in the fashion world, here are a few benefits of becoming a freelance writer for top brands. Freelance writing is a great way to earn money. You can work as much or as little as you want and set your rates. This makes it an excellent option for people who need to make some extra income or earn a living from writing. Unlike a traditional job, you're not tied down to a set of hours or salary. Instead, you have the ability to make as much money as you want on your own time. Whether you're just starting or a seasoned veteran, there's always room for negotiation regarding rates. And since a contract does not bind you, you can always walk away from a project if you're unhappy with the pay. Writing about the same thing repeatedly can be mind-numbing. But as a freelance writer for fashion brands, you will have the opportunity to write about various topics. In addition, it is a great way to keep your writing fresh and exciting as you build your portfolio. You'll have the chance to write about everything from the latest fashion trends to how to style specific items. You can also write about the history of fashion, different designers, and anything else that interests you. By writing about various topics, you'll be able to show prospective clients that you're a versatile writer who can handle any type of project. One of the best parts about being a freelance writer is that you can work from anywhere in the world. You're good to go as long as you have a laptop and an internet connection. So it's perfect for people who want to travel or who don't want to be tied down to one location. Working at a peaceful coffee shop or even by the beachside is a massive perk few people have. And since you're not working in an office, you don't have to worry about things like dressing up for work or commuting. You can work from your pajamas if you want. If you're looking for a way to have a better work-life balance, freelance writing is a great option. Since you can set your hours, you can easily work around your other commitments. For example, if you have kids, you can write during their nap times or after they've gone to bed. And if you have a 9-to-5 job, you can write on the weekends or evenings. A healthy work-life balance is essential for your mental and physical health, and it's something that more and more people are striving to obtain. As a freelance writer, you have the opportunity to create your schedule so that you can have the best of both worlds. Fashion brands can be a great way to build your portfolio and get valuable writing experience under your belt if you're just starting as a freelance writer. By working with well-known fashion brands, you'll be able to add some impressive clients to your list. In addition, it will make it easier to get more work in the future. And since you'll be writing about various topics, you can build up your skills and knowledge. In addition, you can learn a lot about the fashion industry by working as a freelance writer, which will make you more marketable in the future. There are days when you feel under the weather or need a break, and that's perfectly fine when you're a freelance writer. You're not obligated to work if you don't want to, and you can easily turn down projects you're not interested in. Likewise, if you find a particular project is too demanding or doesn't pay well, you can politely decline and move on to something else. The best part is you don't need to force yourself to do work you're not passionate about. Instead, you can focus on writing projects you enjoy that would benefit your career. Of course, that is not to say that you can slack off. You still need to be professional, even if it is something that you're not particularly interested in. Lastly, one of the best things about being a freelance writer is that you have the opportunity to help people with your content. So whether you're writing about the latest fashion trends or how to style specific items, you're providing valuable information that can help people in their everyday lives. There are people seeking fashion advice or guidance, and as a freelance writer, you have the power to help them. Knowledge is power, and you have the opportunity to share more of it with the world through your writing. As you can see, there are many great reasons to become a freelance writer for top fashion brands. If you're looking for a way to earn flexible money, work on diverse projects, and be free to work from anywhere in the world, this is the perfect career for you. You can sign up on pay-per-word to start looking for freelance gigs today. We'll connect you with top fashion brands looking for freelance writers. So, start your writing career today.